Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add trusted connections on Roblox. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're on Roblox and you wanted to make use of the new feature called Trusted Friends or Trusted Connections, I'm going to show you the requirements and also some steps that you can take if this doesn't work for you initially. So first, just open the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. It works the same. Tap on More at the bottom right. Scroll down. Tap on Settings. Tap on Account Info at the top. Scroll down. You can see your birthday here, and it says on here it might ask to verify your age group. In my case, my age group is 21 plus. Depending on what your age group is, and if you haven't verified it, you might need to verify it because adding a trusted friend is required that you be 13 plus or have parental permissions. I'll show you some options if you are under 13 or if this doesn't work. So go through the process of verifying your age. You'll need to take a selfie to be able to do that. Next, tap the X at the top left. Tap the back arrow. And tap on Home at the bottom left. Tap on Friends at the top here. And in my case, I usually tap on Online here. All these friends are online. I can tap on a friend and tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Tap on Add Trusted Friend. You can see it says only add people you know as trusted friends. Manage this friend anytime in their profile. Keep in mind, they will need to accept you as a trusted friend after you've sent that trusted friend request. Tap Add at the bottom left. After you've done that, you'll be able to see it has sent that friend request. You can tap on Trusted at the top right to see all of your currently trusted friends. If this doesn't work for you, there are a number of things you can do to get it fixed. The first is to hop out of here and go to the App Store or Google Play Store and just update the app. It's a fairly new feature, so you do need the latest version of Roblox to do that. Just search for Roblox and update it. Next, tap on Roblox and let's go back to Home. Tap on More at the bottom right. Scroll down. And on here, tap on Help and Safety. Tap on Violations and Appeals. Check to see if you have a violation. If you do have a violation, potentially this feature is not available to you until you resolve that community guidelines violation. Next, tap the back arrow. Tap on Help at the top. Tap on Search Our Articles. And type in Trusted and hit search. From here, tap on How do I add trusted connections? You can see it walks you through steps on how to add someone as a trusted connection like we just did. It does have a prerequisite for an age estimate, and you can see add trusted friends depending on your age. If I scroll down, you can see important limitations. If you're under 13, you must get a parental approval for each trusted friend. If you have not checked your age, you need to do so. And certain regions, this is not available. However, if you scroll down and it's not working, you can tap Need More Help, Contact Support here. It opens up the support page where you can enter your username, your first name, your email address, and on here, type in the device type, in my case, iPhone. And the category on here, you can see it says age-based settings, accounts with parental privileges. Essentially, the trusted friend is an age-based requirement. Tap on Help Subcategory Type. And then on here, you can see issues with facial or adjusting child privacy or unlinking parental, depending on which one is appropriate for you. Select that and then describe your issue where you can't add someone as a trusted friend yet. And essentially, they'll get back to you within a couple of days on how to get that fixed. I hope that helped. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it.